welcome to TechEJ YouTube channel. Friends, in video we are going to discuss about the complete concept of Vim or VI editor. Okay, so basically VI is stand for the visual editor. Vim is the advanced version of VI. Here, our objective is to create an edit text file from command line with the Vim editor. Okay, so don't confuse with VI like VI and Vim. If you are using the Rail 8 or Rail 9, then VI and Vim command are same. But in some Unix-like system, VI and Vim are still different. But we are going to use Rail 9. We are going to perform our lab in on Rail 9. So that's why VI and VI Vim are the same. VI is the visual editor and this is the Vim is the visual editor that has the more capability than the VI editor. Okay, so Vim is known as the extended visual editor also. Okay, so VI and Vim are the same program now. So uh, like uh, what we do with VI, so we can edit the file. It support many file types. Fundamentally, like we if you know the concept of Linux and UNIX like system, then the fundamental design principle of Linux is that it supports storage of the information and configuration setting in the text-based file. Okay, these file allow various structures such as list of setting, and I like structured XML or YAML and other file like Python script, maybe Ruby script, maybe any text-based files you can say. So the advantage of storing file in text-based structure is that they are edited with any text editor. So Vim is an improved version of VI editor. So here you can say Vim is a uh, improved or extended version of VI, which is distributed with Linux and Unix system. Vim is highly configurable and efficient editor that provides split screen editing, color formatting, and highlighting for editing text. Okay, so what is the benefit of using Vim? Uh, like uh, when a system uses this test only cell prompt, you should know how to use at least one test editor for editing files. So we can edit text-based configuration file from a terminal window or remote login through the SSH command or the web console. So you also don't need to access to a graphical desktop. So main benefit of Beam Editor is like we don't have to access the any graphical. Like if you see Notepad is a graphical editor, and also uh, if you talk about the Notepad++, then it's also a GUI-based editor. If you talk about any other Visual Studio Code and many other IDE, then it support only in GUI environment. But when we talk about the command line interface, then mostly we use the Vim. Although Nano and gedit also some say live-based text editor are present, but Vim is the most advanced text editor. Okay, so why we are saying it's the most advanced because it's highly configurable. Okay, so this is the main benefit. Okay, so for getting started with Vim, what we have to do, just we have to use the vi command, or we can use the vi or vim command followed by the file name. Okay, so this is the basic syntax. We can use the vir Vim. So like here we are just going with the and vi here because they both are linked together. So that's why it's called the same program. So without wasting time, let's go here on our lab for practicing. So here You can see that here I am in my desktop. So like this is currently I am in GUI mode, but when I am in uh, CLI mode, then also Vim command work same manner as it's working in the CLI mode. Like here you can say that Vim tutor is the first command which must be explored here. Like when you enter Vim tutor command here, then something like this type of interface is open to practicing. So it's basically teach you how you can use the VI editor or Vim editor. Like here, if you don't have up and down arrow key, dedicated up down arrow key, then you can use the K and J for downing, K for up, and J for down, and L for left, and going right from left to right, and X for from right to left. Okay, so now just you have to go there. Like here, I am going down. Here you can simply VI or Vim command, Vim editor support the three most common mode of operating. Okay, so like here Vim, sup- Vim support mostly you can say three, but sometimes also some people say four types of operating mode is there, but I am just going with three operating mode. Vim support three operating mode. Okay, like sometimes here also called four. It's okay. So just here, like first one is the normal or sometimes called command mode, and second one is like extended command line, normal or command line mode. And third one is like it says it is a visual line, visual line or visual block mode. Okay, and most important one is the edit or insert mode. So this is where these are the four types of mode. Sometimes some people don't tell about this move or this visual line or visual block move. So then they say Vim support three operating mode, but in actually visual line or visual block mode is also there. Okay, so here beside this, Vim also supports the advanced mode. Okay, which is the not part of current this video, but I will explain how you can also use the advanced modes. Okay, so it supports very advanced commands also, and the one more important configuration file is login is like if you want to edit it, then good, like you can use the like vim rc file. Okay, so this is the hidden file. Okay, if you edit the local user vmrc file, then it will apply for vim environment is only set for the current local user. If you change the root user vmrc, then it will apply for uh, every user. Okay, so there is a setting. If you apply it for globally, then it will apply for all the users also. Okay, so just I am going here. Like here, I have a diagram which is a Reddit official diagram. So this is not my diagram, but here like it's explained very clearly. So this is the normal move, which is also known as command move. Okay, command move is normal move. So when just we open first time any file, then it's just going to the command mode, and then after pressing I, we just go into the insert mode or edit mode, and then when we press escape key, then it's return into the command mode, and when after returning into command mode, so when we press colon key, then it goes into the extended command mode, and then when we press capital V or shift V, then it goes into the visual edit mode. Okay, and we don't have to press any key to return from visual mode. It's a actually equivalent mode. So that's why three mode are the just important mode. Okay, so this is the visual edit mode. So let uh, just go here and try to switch into this. Okay, just yeah, like I am in right now in I am in command mode. Okay, so it accept the command mode commands. Okay, like here. So first we all discuss about the command mode. Okay, so what are the available command in this mode? Available commands. Okay, so like this will be mostly theoretical, because if you don't know the theory, then how you are able to practice. Okay, so please ignore the basic spelling mistakes here. Okay, so like command mode, we have to press I for going to press I for going into insert mode. Okay, and then where we can just press the if uh, here we can also give the yy command in command mode. Okay, when we are in normal or command line mode, then it's only support yy command. Okay, so for make sure you are in command mode, press escape key to make sure you are in command mode. Okay, so please make sure you are in command mode, and then only this command will acceptable. Okay, otherwise it will accept some another command like e is y for copy complete line. Okay, and e is used for paste. E is used for pasting the copied data, you can say. Okay, and if you want to like hide if you want to print if you want to paste 5 times same data, same copy data, then it will just paste copy data 5 times. Okay, so here if you want to just paste 5 times, then you can use 5p, otherwise you can use 4p based on your requirement. Okay, so you can use that 4p, 3p for pasting for 3 times. Okay, so just I am not writing here. I hope you are able to understand. And you can also use the dd command for delete a line. Okay, just we are going to practice all these command in vi tutor. Okay, so just I am explaining here, and here you can just use the x for deleting a character of person. Okay, and dw command can be used for deleting a word. Okay, on which cursor is present. Okay, you can also use the u command here for undoing. Okay, for undo last changes, you can use the u command, and you can use the cw command for changing the current cursor word. Okay, and also one more important thing, you can use the d dollar command for deleting the line from current cursor position to end of line. Okay, and you can just use O for you can use O or capital O for opening a new line and going into the insert mode. Okay, you can also use the A or A for going into the append mode. Okay, so just I write here all the most important command uh, which are available, which are acceptable in command mode by the VI editor. So we will go and check. Okay, so if you are into the insert mode or edit mode, so we have to press escape to make sure we are in command mode. Okay, so just go here. Okay, so this is my VI tutor, and here, okay, here it's saying press escape to make sure you are in normal mode. Okay, so I just explained normal mode and command mode is same. Like if you are in normal mode, then you are ready to execute the command mode commands. Okay, so like if you just want to copy this entire line, then what you have to do? Just you have to press the YY here. Okay, just I press the YY, and if you want to paste it, okay, just I copy it by using the YY command. Okay, not paste. Okay, so just if you want to paste, then you have to use the p command here. Like just I paste it. And if you want to paste the same data 3 times, then I use the 3 followed by p. Okay, now you can see that just it pasted 3 times. Okay, so we just see how we are able to copy and paste. Okay, so now what we will see, just let I want to delete this line. So what we can use the here we can use the like if you want to delete the entire line, then we can use the dd command here like this. Okay, so like here we just deleted all, and one more time just we use the dd command. And one more command for deleting, like if you want to just delete the data from current cursor position to end of line, then what we have to use, then we have to just use the d dollar command. Okay, just here you can see that you can use the just d dollar command for deleting that. Like from here just I want to delete, so just I press the d dollar command here. Okay. For undoing anything, just you have to do, just you have to press U command here. Like here, all deleted content is returned here. Okay, you can see that. Okay, so which content we just deleted in last 5 to 6 times is just undo. Okay, so you can use the U are undoing the things. Okay, if you want to just go into the insert mode by opening a new line, then you have to press just go. Now you are in insert mode by opening a new line. And what is the difference between I and O? Is here like just I escape, press escape here. So, like I am pressing I here, okay? So, when just we go into the insert mode by using I command, then our cursor position is not changed. So, our cursor position is just targeting the same character position, okay? But when like now I press the escape key and just I press the open, then it's open a new line, okay? So, this is the basic difference between in I and O. And also we can go into the append mode by pressing the A. Okay, like here I am right now in append mode. Okay, so here I can write something. So it's also insert mode, but it will just append, not edit. We can just add something, but we are not able to delete anything. Okay, so this is the basic difference between insert mode and append mode. So, like if you want to just change any word, like here. Uh, if you come down like it's a thing, you can also practice from here by using this, like hit send press X to delete the unwanted character. So just I want to delete this delete, so what I will do, like I want to just delete the E, so I will press X here. Okay, first go into the escape mode. So sorry, not escape mode, it's basically first go into the normal mode or command mode. Like I just want to the E, so just I press EX. Okay, I press X, I press X, I press X. So it will just delete that character that is pointed by the our cursor. Okay, right now we can see that. Okay, for undoing you can use the U. Okay, so just we undo the deleted character or change character. And also you can use the CW command for changing the any word, like here. If you see it, this command will guide us. Like here it's saying press A to open and it have to return. Okay, WQ for saving anything and Q. Okay, so we will discuss about this. So just we finish the command mode. And one more important mode is the extended command mode. So we will discuss extended command mode also. Yeah. So second one is extended command line mode. Okay. So are going into the extended command mode. We have to make sure first press the escape to make sure you are in normal mode. Okay. And also here I would like to add one more command here, like colon command. Okay, so when we press the colon, then here it here we are able to write the just for going into the extended command mode. Okay. Also, here like when you press shift plus V, then like for going into the visual mode. Okay. So these are the some most one, two or three more important command line mode commands. Okay. So just make sure you are in normal mode and you have to press colon to go into the extended command mode. Okay. So just now what are the options supported in extended command mode are like we can just put uh, W or right here after. So we have to just write in this manner. Okay. So that's why for writing. Okay. And here we can just put like this W. We can also like write it W. Okay. Like if you want to save any content of open file to any other location, then here we can also specify the location. Okay. Like this will be any location of new file. Okay. Okay. So just for saving and quoting, we can just for writing plus quoting. So it will write and quit. At some time it's also called save and exit. Okay, so don't be confused. So if you just want to quit, don't want to save anything, just quit without saving. Okay, anything without saving or without, yes. Okay, and if you just want to quite forcefully by discarding all changes, quit by discarding all changes. Okay, so we can just press the Q colon and also we can press the set, give the set command followed by the new for setting number before line. Okay, we will also discuss the set all, explore all supported set command. Okay, these are the most important extended command line moves command. Okay, so we'll go here and try to understand all of each. So just enter the new password if you are also not to. So just make sure you are in normal mode or command mode. So just press escape and press colon to go into the extended mode. Okay. Right now just I am quoting this. So it's in no write since last change. Add to override. Okay. So what we have to do, just Q and over Q colon. What is this option is used for? Just I explain. It did not override anything. It just discard any edit in this file and quit. Okay, so just I am discarding and quitting. Like here, just I am creating a file like vi text practice. Okay, okay. So just I open. Now this is in command mode. So we just want to go the insert mode for writing here. So just I press in I. So just I goes into the insert mode. Now I am here writing like this is my practice text document. Okay. So just I write this. Now if you want to copy this line 5 times, so what you can do? Just press the escape to go into the to return into the command mode or normal mode. And now you can use the YY for copying this. So just I press the YY for copy this. If you want to paste it 5 times, then just 5 followed by P. Okay, so just I pasted this 5 times. Okay. Now if you want to just delete, then you can press the DD here. Okay, just I delete the same one line. So now just I want to go the extended command line mode. So for now, my purpose is like saving this file. So just going to the extended mode by pressing the colon. Okay. Now just right here W for writing. Okay. Like when just we give the command W, then it's just saying written, but it's not quitted from here. So what we have to do? So just W followed by Q for writing and quitting. Okay, so just I read. Now cat command is used for reading the test information. So like here you can see that our written data is saved here. Okay, and we are able to read that. Now one more time, just we just want to append some line here and want to it save the data at different file. But with the our scenario here, we just want to use the data of this text practice in addition with some another data, and just want to save it in another file. So what we can do right now? So just here we open this text practice. Okay, so we just open this. Now what we will do? Just we is going to the insert mode here and write something like this is my file to data. Okay, hi, this is became file we created. Okay, so just we edited the same text practice file, but right now just go into the first of all normal mode and press W here. Now just I want to write, but at where? Just I want to write it different location. Okay, so like here, just I want to write this data at different file. So what we will say, Vim, okay, I just want to write at root home directory. Okay, and file name is the text practice 2. Okay, so just I'm not changing in this file. Just I use the content of this file, and I will also write some few more content, and I want to save it in another file. Okay, so just I written here, and now what we will like here, just I press the WQ colon here. Okay. For like I just did not want to save anything in this file. Okay. So that's why I pressed the WQ followed by the exclamation mark. It's not a colon. Basically, sorry for that. So just quit from here. Now that's the text practice. Okay, sorry. It's basically edited. Okay, now just go to the mode directory, which is cd root. Okay, it means it does not mean command is working differently. Just I make some mistake. Okay, that's why. Now test cat to text practice 2. Okay, you can see that this is saying hi. This is the second file we created, and this is saying okay. Both are showing the same data. Actually, we also write here, so that's why that is the problem. Right now, just I want to make sure how you are don't able to like sometimes we don't have permission to edit that file, but in the same manner we can save it to the different locations. Okay, so just I am going into this file one more time, and right now just I want to like here I go into the insert mode. Okay, just write something and I will write it to one more file, which is the practice 3 file. Okay, my file name will the practice 3. So in the same manner here, like I saved this. Okay, now what I last time. So just into the one more time into extended command mode, and right now just press the Q, not WQ. Okay, okay, cat the text practice 2. Here you can see that hi, this is the second file we created, but when we get the practice 3, you can see that it's also here. Hi is there, but hi is not in this file. So what we just do by mistake, I just write the WQ. So WQ followed by exclamation symbol. So that's why just we saved that data. But if you don't want to save and that file, then you have to just put the Q followed by exclamation symbol. Okay. So that is the case. Okay. So like just I want to go here. And if you want to set the line number here for better understandability, so you can go into the extended mode, and here you can like set here by you can put here set a new command here, or you can also use the set number command here. Both are the same. Okay. So this is the same. Like here you can see that now line number is present here. Okay. So here it's also support the multiple command. So here you can see that it supports many command, but it's very complex. Okay, it's very time consuming to understand all these commands. So if you have need, then definitely you can learn all these. But right now, just I am skipping this. Okay, so here you can see that many of the option is present here. Many option is present here. You can just dig it out. Vim is very advanced editor. Okay, it's also support the plugins. So just I am quitting. Okay, just I quitted by discarding all the changes. Okay, I hope you are able to understand all these. Now one more, like here, just we discuss the command mode, edit mode, and extended command mode. Now we will talk about the visual edit mode. So what is the visual edit mode? Okay, so just go here. Now press the shift V here. You can see that all current line is highlighted. Okay, so here we can just select it. If this is highlighted, then we can just like we put the dd command here. Okay, so just it's showing just we deleted that line. Okay, so just one more time. So it's highlighted. It means like here when I press dd command, it just delete that block of content. Okay, so like here, uh, just go here. Okay, now here you can press the shift V. Okay, now it selected that block of data. Okay, so if you want to just select completely, like here, just I selected the complete three lines, and here just you now press the YY for copying that data. You press the T, so you can see that now this time it's basically copied the selected part. Okay, you can also simply select in this manner, and you can use the Control Shift C, okay, and Control Shift V command are copying and pasting into the Vim editor. Okay, so Control Shift C and Control Shift V is work here also. So like you can use the Control Shift C and Control Shift V in edit mode. So the edit mode. So you can use the Control plus Shift plus C for copying selected data. Okay, and Control plus Shift plus D for pasting the copied data. Okay, so this is the basic idea. Now I hope you are able to understand the working of VI, like it's working the three main mode and one extra mode, which is a visual edit mode, by which you can just select it visually. Okay, so we can use the up and down key there for selecting the lines, and also it's about the block selecting, for which you can use the just control small there, and this you can just go into the block mode, visual block mode. Okay, so this is the complete funda. I hope you are also able to get the some basic idea of Vim. Vim is very advanced. So just one, I want to discuss one more important file, which is the Vim RC file. Okay, so just I am waiting from here by discarding all the changes. Okay. So, like if you want to change the basic default configuration of Vim RVI, then what you can do that you can just go into the etc Vim RC file. Okay, okay, Vim RC is here. Okay, so here you can see that all the default settings present. In addition, you can also write your own setting. Like here, if you want like to be set the line number by default, then okay, you can just use the set a new command here for setting up. Okay, so if you are doing in production, so please keep the backup, and then after you just able to edit the, just to go to editing the uh, any critical files. Okay, like here you can just give the command like just going to the insert mode, and here you can just like you can give a command set new, and here if you w2 here. Okay, and you will see by default now line number is present here. So in the same manner, it will apply for every user. Okay, but if you just want to change for any local user, then like here, okay, just switch to the Natasha user. Okay, I think this is the, okay. Now here, if you just want to create a configuration file just for the current, then here you can just create a file in the local directory with the like name will be okay dot vim rc. Okay, so here you can just create a file, and here you can just go into the insert mode. Okay, just here you can like here you can see that line number is already here because it's stated by the root user in global settings. Okay, that's why line number is here. But when we disable from there, it will not come for every user. Okay, so here we can also give the command like say new. Okay, just escape here and put WQ here. Okay, right now just I will go here and just quit by discarding changes. And one more time, I just go here, go into the insert mode, and I just delete from here, and I will save it. Okay. Now, when we just go here, so here you can see that line number is not present for the root user. But let's try to access the Natasha. So just I here I'm logged in with Natasha, and now just I go to open a new file like new. Okay, here you can see that line number is already present here. Okay, here you can see that. Okay, and this is just applied for the Natasha user. So in the same manner, you can just able to configure the local Vim environment. Okay, so that's it for this video. I hope you are able to get the basic khanda behind the Vim VI editor. Okay, and then you are able to work with the VI editor. Okay, so thanks for watching this video.